Hi everyone, I'm up with the final part of my unboxing videos and by far the most exciting part, and that is the unboxing of the PlayStation 3. Let us begin from scratch. Okay, we have tape here. Swiss knife. Let me get that tape open. Okay. Up this side, up. Okay. Just pull these out. You can see eggshells here, egg boxes rather. Just pull it out. Balance that on my neck there. Okay, this looks cool. And here we have latest. We've got DualShock 3, not 6-axis, DualShock 3 with vibration. Controller feels great. You have these extra triggers, bit different from the PS2. We don't have the analog button anymore. Yeah, that's neat. It's trying to detect the PS3, but there's no PS3 connector right now. So there's something else in here. Okay, we have component cables. I'm not going to be using this for my 32-inch Samsung HD TV. Or rather, got separate cables for that. They don't come along with my PlayStation 3 80 gig pack. Okay, we have a USB port. Okay, this is for the controller, for charging the controller. By the way, the controller charges for 15 minutes and can be played for around 20 hours as Sony claims. Okay, there's something else in here. Unlike the Xbox 360, we don't have a power brick. It's inside the PlayStation, the power supply. Here's the power cord and long power cord, and this is a SCART connection, I guess. It won't be useful for me. Okay, that's that. Box empty. And now, small things first. Okay, before we get to the big deal, let's get to what have we got here. Unfortunately I haven't got any free games or anything. That's fine by me. Okay, because the price was pretty cheap actually. Okay, got Station 3 simple booklet, nothing much on there. Read that a bit later, get to that. Okay, simple manual. In different languages, and that's that. Let me put this somewhere safe. There. Okay, now that we're done with that, let's get to the mother box. Okay, get to the eggshells, and whoa, that looks amazing. Jeez. Chrome finish here. The shine is just amazing. My little cam there. Hello cam. And touch sensitive buttons. And at the back, you can see, get a little light over there. Okay, we have multi-out. This is the HDMI connection. This is the other AV connection. I won't be using that. Digital out for Toslink and LAN connection. It's got built-in wireless, something that the Xbox 360 doesn't come along with. You have to buy it separately to support wireless Wi-Fi. And this is the power connection, socket female, and this is the power switch. And I guess the hardware is in there, hard drive, sorry. And this is just too amazing. Can't wait to try it out. And before we get into connecting it, the HDMI cables I've got along with it. Bought it separately. And that's that. And I have an extra DualShock controller. Won't be getting to that just yet. And top 2 games. Rated 10 out of 10 in almost every possible gaming site. GTA 4, MGS4. Don't know much about these series, but the way I hear it, it's supposed to be a really good game, so I gotta try it out. Okay, let's get into connecting this bad boy. First off, I would like to just place my PlayStation 3 right there. I guess it's a good place. Man, I got fingerprints on that already. Damn. Looks cool. Nice. You look bad over there. Phony. Okay, just, yeah, a bit heavy. Around 4 kgs, I guess. Okay, let's connect the power cord. I'm going to run in through the entire connection procedure, installation procedure, up to the main screen. If you're familiar with this part, you can skip part of the video, or if you're not interested or whatever. Okay, here's the power cord. Okay, let me just untangle this. Okay, just connect that over, right over there. Damn, I wish fingerprints wouldn't fall on that. Okay, this bad boy is going into safety reasons. Okay, spike buster, Sean. PlayStation 3 is right now in off mode. Let it stay that way for a bit till I connect the HDMI cable. HDMI. Okay, I'll just get this out of the box and be back with you guys in a sec.